Fungal infections can be bothersome, but they're common and treatable. Today, let's discuss 3 types of fungal infections: ringworm, jock itch, and athlete's foot. Ringworm appears as a red, circular rash with clearer skin in the middle. Jock itch affects the groin area, causing itching and redness. Athlete's foot targets the feet, leading to itching, burning, and cracked skin. For treatment, over-the-counter creams can be very effective. Miconazole, terbinafine, and voriconazole are great options. Apply these creams directly to the affected area as per the instructions on the packaging. Prevention is key to avoiding fungal infections. Keep your body clean, especially the groin area. Avoid wearing unclean clothes and steer clear of public showers or locker rooms without proper footwear. Remember, fungal infections are common, but with the right treatment and hygiene, you can manage and prevent them effectively. Stay healthy and take care.